Hey guys, what's going on? It's May. It's actually Memorial Day weekend, 2020, and since everybody kind of is stuck at home, we're actually deciding to kind of restore our deck because my wife is bringing in a bunch of new patio furniture that she ordered online. So, yeah, if you look at it, it's just really old. It's getting moldy. This is just how it was when we bought the house. We've never touched this. I don't think anybody's ever touched this for several years. So that's what we are going to do this Memorial Day weekend. My wife's prepping downstairs right now. And there's my cat. And we ordered this pressure washer, this gas pressure washer from Home Depot. It's a day rental. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So let's get started with the pressure wash. Alright, so now that we got that cleaned with the pressure washer, so now the second step is to take this deck cleaner that I found. It's an all-in-one kind of, it removes dirt, mold, and mildew. Ready to use, no mixing. And then we're just going to put it in here. Alright, so the rain down went a little bit, luckily, and so now we scrub. Okay, and now we do a finish spray. Alright, so we let it dry overnight, and now this is what it's looking like. So obviously it has its natural wood color now. It's no longer gray. There's no mold. I think it looks great, but we still need to get it ready for staining, so I'm gonna just run it with the sander real quick and get it prepped. Alright, so I took this wood panel out and got a new one from Home Depot. I cut it to size, and so now let's just run everything with a quick sander just to get out all the like fuzziness and whatnot. Okay, so we got the new board in, looks great. And so now we're just gonna go through the entire deck and just make sure that there's no loose nails and whatnot, and just bang them back in. Alright, here's our semi-transparent stain. It's a slate color, It's a little darker than I thought. It looks very gray, but let's see what it comes out like when you actually put it on.
Hello, stranger. It seems so good to see you back again. How long has it been? It seems like a mighty long time. My baby. It seems like a mighty long time. My baby.
Okay, so now we're done staining the deck. It took a lot longer than I thought, but I think it came out great. It just has a nice sheen to it. A nice neutral color to it, which I like. And let's check out the stairs. Yeah, I think it came out great. Alright, so now that's done. Now we get the patio furniture out and start assembling. Pikachu! I see you!
Do you like your new patio, Theo?
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
What?
whoa.
Dormant shepherd गर्ने तर सानो बच्चाबाट पाल्ने के कुकुर चाहिएछ कि मलाई यसले साथी चाहिएछ कि बिचारा एल्भिसले यसलाई एल्भिसको हुरुक्कै गर्छ यसले एल्भिसलाई